आज भी मुन्नू दिन याद है. Yeah, I remember the day I got a call from my mama and she was convincing me to talk to this cute chubby girl. So I decided to give it a try and agreed to talk. But I never imagined that she would become the most important person in my life.
My father had told me about this guy named Arvi, and I got a message from someone on 14th October. I was really confused as the message read, "My name is Arvind. Your parents must have told you about me." I could not recall any Arvind because my father had told me his name was Arvi. Oh, then it clicked me that this was some, cool dude trying to sound cool by shortening his name. I was really enchanted by this person. He was really funny in a charming kind of way. In short, he was everything I was looking for: my best friend, my husband, my everyone. I even used to wait for his messages and even left them unread so that I could start a conversation afresh.
R is an arranged love, but I'm a Bollywood kind of guy who used to travel mountains. So I decided to propose her over there because she loves mountains too. I felt that would be the perfect plan to execute.
Whole proposal thing, it was really funny because I know he was going to propose me, but the moment he got down on one knee and brought that ring in front of me, there was this series of emotions I cannot explain. He very sweetly took my hand, slid that ring into my finger. I had never felt so special and loved in my life, and I burst into tears. And Arvind is laughing at me, and I'm crying. He's this weird creature who has no care in this world, dances to anything, and keeps on jumping around like a joker. But one thing is, he loves me unconditionally, and I don't want him any other way. I feel like I found him, and he found me. So it is rightly said that from strangers to soulmates.